Hey there, Alfred here. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is my Forex trading documentary journey, and I'm doing everything using just my mobile phone. Let's dive in. In this video, I'll show you how to open a Forex demo account using HFM, also known as HF markets. There are many brokers like XM, Exness, and Interactive Brokers, but I personally use HFM. Why? Because it's super convenient to cash in and out, and you get a dedicated account manager who will personally call you from your own country. In my case, I'm here in the Philippines. If you use another broker, that's totally fine. This guide will still help you get started. Now, if you're just starting out, please take this seriously. Before you risk your hard-earned money, you need to practice. I've been there. When I started, I thought I was ready after just a few demo trades and watching a couple of YouTube videos. I learned RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands, and still, I blew my account 6 times. Why? Because I jumped into real trading without building discipline. That's why I created this video, to share my journey and to help you avoid the same mistakes. The demo account is your training ground. It's where you build your habits, control your emotions, and trade without pressure. Here's my challenge to you. Stick to Euro USD and gold. Practice until you can make 25% profit per week for 2 straight weeks. Only then should you switch to real money. Don't rush. Use the demo account to master yourself, because that's the real win. Okay, let's start the demo using my mobile phone. Open your web browser of choice. I'm using Brave browser. Click the demo link I provided in the video description. Wait for the website to load. Now, look for free demo account. Click the link. Wait for the page to fully load. You will be redirected to the registration page. Fill out the registration form. Next, open your email inbox. Look for the verification mail. This confirms you have access to the email you used. Once you verify your email, you'll get a message saying your account is ready. You'll then be redirected to the profile details section. Fill in your personal info. Just follow the same settings I'm using in this demo. Now, go to the top right corner of the screen. Tap the icon with 3 horizontal lines. Select Trading Accounts. Under Trading Accounts, tap Open Demo Account. Look for Demo Premium Account. Now click Open Account. Just copy the settings shown here. For the nickname, enter your own unique name. After you create the demo account, you'll receive an email with your demo login credentials. Keep that email. We'll use those details in the next video to set up your MetaTrader 5 mobile app. So make sure to stay tuned, because I'll show you how to log in and start trading on MT5 using your new demo account. If you enjoy videos like this and want to follow my trading journey, don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and tap that notification bell so you won't miss anything. And remember, don't quit if you want to get rich. Take chances. Keep learning. Peace out.